part of my love of makeup is actually owning it. I don't know, is that weird?
Okay, drop that. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, you lay back in the cut. What's up? What's up?
Hello my dolls, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Aphrodite by Olympia, and if you're new here, hello, my name's Olympia. I do videos here on YouTube about beauty and makeup that's available in Australia for darker skin tones. So yes, this video is going to be all about my low buy. I decided for 2019 that I'm going to go on a low buy for a number of reasons. The main reason is the fact that I have way too much in my makeup collection. My makeup collection is kind of ridiculous actually. I started buying makeup kind of with the intention for my YouTube channel about 18 to 2 years ago. And I have products that I have still not opened since I purchased them, which is terrible. That is terrible. I just really want to use what I have and just appreciate what I have bought and just not being caught up in like the newest releases when I already have those shades. Like, why am I buying more makeup when I have so much already? Now, the reason I want to go on a low buy and not a no buy is because part of the reason why I love makeup is going into Kmart or Target or Priceline and swatching colors on my hand and testing them out. Oh, will this work on dark skin? Like, I love that experience almost as much as I love applying makeup and creating beautiful looks. So the idea of not buying any makeup at all crushes my soul. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not about that life. I need to buy something. So a low buy I thought would be a good way to restrict what I'm purchasing and just being more appreciative of what I do have. Also, this kind of ties into some of the videos that I want to upload for you guys, create and upload for you guys on my channel this year. I want to start doing anti-hauls and or should I buy it or shouldn't I buy it type videos. I have a lot of opinions. I can get quite sassy and salty about some things, and I want to be able to share my thoughts with you guys surrounding, you know, new releases, whether these products are something that I want to see happen or not see happen, how it affects Australia and people of color in Australia, things like that. I can even talk about kind of latest news a little bit. This is not going to be beauty news or anything like that, because girl, I ain't nobody got time for that. I appreciate them girls and what they do, but no, I'll just touch on some things here and there. There were some major makeup beauty industry events and scandals that occurred last year that I didn't really speak on because I didn't think I had a format for which I could do so. So doing, you know, monthly or bi-monthly, should I haul it or not, videos will kind of tie into later scandals as well, because your girl loves the tea, all right? Sipping the tea and getting all the good goss, I'm here for it. So that kind of thing will show up a little bit more on my channel this year. And these anti-hauls aren't to, you know, insult anybody. It's just my thoughts and opinions on whether these products are for me or not, and just what I think about them. Also with this low buy, I'll be doing some haul videos for you guys and what I do buy, and like little mini reviews on those specific products that I do buy for the month, and it will also make me use what I do buy, so I'm using them straight away and I can give you guys an opinion on them. This leads into items in my collection that I haven't used yet, so there'll be more videos on my channel this year on like shop my stash or old school makeup, is it still relevant type of thing, because I have makeup in my collection that I bought new, as in like within the last year, but they're not new releases. It's basically me catching up on the beauty industry, on like the holy grails that people have been using for years and years and years. It's only me just discovering them now. So I want to bring you guys along the journey with me on like me discovering some of these products. And like, for example, I recently got the Too Faced chocolate bar eyeshadow palettes. It's been around for yonks, but I only just bought this like 4 months ago. Have not used it yet, but it's new to me and I want to see what it's like on my skin tone. I want to see whether I like the formula compared to other Too Faced formulas, like, you know, the gingerbread palette I absolutely adore. I have a video on that one. So yeah, I want to do more videos like that for you guys, and basically doing full faces of makeup for you guys, or first impressions on OGs and things like that. So look out for those type of videos coming up on my channel as well. And then leading into that also will be some videos on my makeup collection. I've been wanting to do makeup collection videos for like a good 6 months, but because I kept buying new eyeshadows or new blush or new this, and I'm waiting for it to arrive, because I do online shopping quite a bit. I'm waiting for it to arrive and I want to film the video, but then all my stuff's not here, so it was like so going on a low buy basically will force me to have a breather that I need to then start doing these collection videos for you guys and doing some declutters, because there are some things that I have actually used that I want to declutter, but I want to do that on video for you guys. So look out for the declutter videos and look out for the makeup collection videos. I'm giving myself a disclaimer right now and to say that I have not used, literally like 85% of my collection hasn't even been touched, because I've just been buying, and yeah, it needs to stop. So there's that. And just because I haven't used it does not mean I do not appreciate what I have. I'm quite lucky, but at the same time I want to get good use out of this. I don't want them to expire before I've actually had a chance to use them, things like that. Now, the rules for the low buy are as follows. So I'm only allowed to purchase 3 items a month. That can be of any price. It's more that I want to bring quality over quantity. So by only picking 3 items a month, I'm going to be thinking a lot more about, do I really want this? Because I've only got 3 items that I can choose this month. Like, do I really want it? Or do I need it? You know what I mean? Like, what is it about this particular item that I have to have? And I'm going to be discussing with this, you know, those thought processes with you guys when I do the, you know, anti-hauls, or should I haul it, should I not type videos with you guys. So, and then tying obviously into that is using the products and then doing reviews on them for you guys as part of my channel. So only 3 items a month of any price, and this 3 items does not have to include items that I'm going to be restocking with. I go through eyebrow products so quickly. I go through concealers quite quickly. So if I'm replacing a holy grail, or I'm replacing a product that I use quite often, that does not, I'm not including that in the 3 products that I'm going to choose. The 3 products can come from any category, but like I said, they don't, doesn't include anything that I'm replacing that I already have in my collection. It's going to be interesting how I go with this low buy. Like I said, I like buying makeup, but I need to step away from that and just be more, you know, appreciative of what I've got. Like I said, quality over quantity. So yes guys, that's what you guys can expect from my channel for this year. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but yeah, I'm doing a project pan as well, team project pan. I'm really looking forward to that. I've got all my project pan items right here, like right here. I'm going to use them every day. There's going to be some videos about, you know, full face of project pan, and yeah, I want to pump out at least 2 videos a week for you guys. That is my goal for this year. I want to see 104 videos on top of what I already have for 2019. That's 2 videos a week, if you didn't get that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Also, I'll be getting a new camera. I'm gonna get the Canon 80D probably in a month or so. So my picture quality will also improve as well. I decided to make the investment because I've just been looking at, if, you know, for whatever reason I don't do YouTube anymore, which I don't see that ever happening. Even if I'm on here for 10 years and only still have 500 subscribers, I reckon I would still do it because the value that it adds to my life, I love it. Like, it adds so much to my life that I couldn't see myself not doing it. The idea that I can showcase items like makeup and beauty that's for darker skin tones that's available in Australia makes me happy, because it upsets me when, you know, these companies don't cater to Australians, dark skin Australians. And if I can help any dark skin girl who's watching here in Australia and say, look, this is where you can go and get what you need, you're not excluded with these companies, support these companies. I love the idea that I can do that through my channel. So 2018 was an awesome year. Got to work with designer brands, design my own foundation shade, extended the range, helping them to do that. The foundation range was just so much fun. No idea what 2019 has in store, but I am so super excited. Like, I am so excited. I am pumped. This year there's going to be a lot of changes, not just with my, you know, channel, but home life with my partner. You know, he's embarking on a new career as well, which could see me travel a little bit. So there's that. But yeah, 2019 is going to be so good. I look forward to spending the rest of the year with you guys, and hopefully you guys getting to know me a lot more, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, that's my intro for 2019. Low buy, project pan, new video concepts, better video quality, some of my opinions coming through a little bit more, all that kind of good stuff. So watch this space, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.